40 English questions begin here. How many can you answer? First question starts now. Find the closest synonym of operate. Answer B, function, which is a synonym of tactful. Answer A, diplomatic. What does your days are numbered mean? Answer D, ending. What does do the trick mean? Answer C, work. Choose the antonym of submit. Answer A, resist. What is the antonym of curtail? Answer D, expand. Choose the antonym of insinuate. Answer B, state directly. Choose the correct plural of bison. Answer C, bison. What is the plural form of bacterium? Answer D, bacteria. Choose the correct plural of analysis. Answer C, analyzes. Which option correctly fills the gap? Answer D, the team's efficiency helped finish the work early. Fill in the blank with the correct option. Answer B, to whom should I address the complaint? Can you guess the missing word? Answer D, unless it stops raining, we can't go for a picnic. What is the past form of meet? Answer A, met. Choose the past tense of mislay. Answer C, mislaid. Choose the correct spelling. Answer D, modify. Choose the correct spelling. Answer B, impulsive. Pick the correct spelling. Answer C, admirable. Identify the correct spelling. Answer A, excellent. Which is a synonym of haughty? Answer D, arrogant. Pick a synonym of initiate. Answer A, start. Choose a synonym of bizarre. Answer D, weird. What does pay lip service mean? Answer C. Pretend to support. What does leave it at that mean? Answer A. Stop there. What does smell a rat mean? Answer D. Suspect. Choose the antonym of counteract. Answer A. Support. Opposite of asperse. Answer C. Praise. Choose the correct plural of offspring. Answer A. Offspring. What is the plural form of campus? Answer D. Campuses. Choose the correct plural of headquarters. Answer B. Headquarters. Fill the gap. Answer C. He must have been at work all day. Can you guess the missing word? Answer A. The exam was far more difficult than I expected. Fill the gap. Answer D. His enthusiasm made the lecture very engaging. Fill the gap. Answer B. I would travel more if I had more free time. What's the past tense of unfreeze? Answer D. Unfroze. Choose the past form of ring. Answer B. Rung. So close only for left. Which spelling is correct? Answer D. Deserted. Pick the correct spelling. Answer A. Technique. Identify the correct spelling. Answer C. Multiform. Which spelling is correct? Answer B. Associate. Congratulations! Great job! How many answers did you get right? Comment your score and subscribe.